Alright, chat. About to show you best method to get life shards. Loki, this shit way better than server hopping in the hollow, bro. That shit takes ages, dude. Genuinely, I haven't been playing this game for that long, but I think this has got to be the fastest way. Cause this guy has hella high drop rates for these life crystals, bro. Or life shards, my bad. But you just gotta come up to the Spartan area. If you don't know how to get there, it's like on the right of the tundra. I would low-key just look up a video. But hey, you just come in here, come over to talk to this guy named Diego. He's a boss. He's low-key easy as shit. But if you are struggling, he's really easy to cheese as well. Just by like S-holding and spamming random moves. But he can be kind of a combo demon, I'm not gonna lie. But he isn't too bad. Alright. Should Loki just get a life crystal here? Or life shard? Yeah, bro. You see this? Easy ass boss. Just gives free life shards and hella decent loot. Loki, fuck everything else everybody tells you, bro. This is the method. Gives Loki all this shit, gives mad money too. Put y'all on, bro. Peace out.